Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily watch Instagram stories without following user. So for doing this your user needs to be public, and also you can do it without any account. So for doing this, just open Safari browser, just write here anonymous story view. So now you just need to choose service, so I will choose first one. Now just type here enter Instagram username, just I will paste it. So you need to write here your username and just tap on search. So now you can see this user, and now you just need to wait some time until it will load all the stories of this user. So it will take some time, and after you will see all Instagram stories from this user. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.